We're getting some breaking news. India's top doctor sounds pollution alert. Delhi air improves, but it is still in the very poor category. And this warning has been issued by the top doctor, saying that if you have poor lungs, please leave Delhi. So Dr. Randeep Guleria goes on to say that smog is now killing more than what COVID killed. Lungs of the kids are the most vulnerable, and there's also a rising risk of dementia and infertility due to the toxic air that the residents of Delhi-NCR are breathing. These tiny particles are posing as the biggest health hazard, and the top doctor has now advised that mask up to save your breath. So that's the warning by Dr. Randeep Guleria, the top doctor and former AIIMS Director, who has sounded the pollution alert. Delhi's air quality, although has improved a bit, but it is still very poor. And now the doctor has said that if you have poor lungs, please leave Delhi. My colleague Ashutosh Mishra is now joining us with more details on this. Ashutosh, this warning from top doctor Dr. Randeep Guleria that if you have poor lungs, please leave Delhi. What does this tell about the severity of the situation in the national capital?
Well, we know that AQI data in Delhi perhaps may be a little unreliable, looking at the number of places those screens have disappeared. And how these, the air quality monitoring stations, they are allegedly being even tampered. But the phone that I'm using, the iPhone data, which I'll ask Manish to zoom out little, that AQI monitor, it says that it's 360, which makes it extremely very poor. Manish, you need to zoom on this monitor a little. So it shows it is in 316, which makes it fall in a very poor category. And all these stations, not just Delhi, if I little zoom out, if you see the monitoring areas of NCR, where the AQI is even touching to 400. Now clearly not only is part of Delhi, but all across the NCR, the bordering towns, indeed the AQI is somewhere between 300 to 400. It is severe. In fact, today what I feel, we're waiting for official words from the Met Department. This even feels like the coldest day of so far in this season's coldest day perhaps, also because of the wind speed. So topographically and meteorologically, the major factor that we are seeing, all the carbon emission, the dust emission, then we have the stubble residue burning, all these particles, the pollutants that are contributing as a major factor, clearly have not been able to shift away from the Delhi and NCR. So it is not only the NCR town are struggling. This is clearly becoming, and as every year it is being said, I've been reporting that this is a pan-North India phenomena. And if you see, you name any single city of Northern India, I mean only exceptional part of the Uttarakhand and Himachal, the hilly state, every such city is a highly polluted, toxic and difficult to breathe. But as long as it is only being called as a Delhi NCR phenomena, you can make question the Delhi government, you can question the Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, until unless the large effort are being taken.
All right, Ashutosh, thank you for getting us all those details and the latest updates on the Delhi air quality, with the top doctor now issuing a warning that if you have poor lungs, please leave Delhi.